JDCap 26 here. We just do the repairs and tips, and this is not repair video, but a overview video. And somebody had suggested to use a coat hanger to clean out a tub drain. Well, you can, but you only want to use it down in this part right here. Okay, right here, to get in there, and not too far. You don't want to shove the coat hanger in there too far, and because you get it stuck really. And if you do it in this part right here, you get a broken coat hanger, you'll never get out. I do suggest, I'm sorry that was a little bit rude of me, but just to make the point, don't use a coat hanger. Use the proper tool. Proper tool is that. There are many videos on the YouTube to how to use this tool. And you go through this plate right here. You take one screw off, put it down. You put in about 25 inches of the cord here, the feed, and you turn the handle, and then you remove the hair and sludge out of your drain. And stay away from those chemicals. They can harm you if you don't wear glasses and gloves. So I hope this helps you. Remember, use the right tools for the job. Thanks. Have a great day. Please rate and subscribe.